it's Max and welcome back to Adventure Camp Home. For this activity, we're going to be making masks and then showing them off on a catwalk.
So we actually don't have a cat, we have a dog.
Dad, do you know what a catwalk is?
Where cats walk?
A catwalk is a fashion show where models go on it and they go on magazines and the TV.
Oh, so it's a fashion walk.
So what you need for your mask is a piece of cardboard, a pencil, a stapler, string or elastic, doesn't really matter, glue stick, scissors, and this paper bag for all the decorations you're going to put in.
We just went to this alleyway near our house, and as you can see, there is loads of different types of plants with loads of different types of leaves and colours. So we're just gonna look for some good, cool looking leaves for our masks.
Check out all our different types of plants and flowers we gathered from the alleyway to help enhance our masks to make them as beautiful as they could be.
So the first thing we need to do is make our mask. I made this mask earlier before, but now we're going to tell you how to make it. All you need is a piece of cardboard, a pencil, and some scissors. Second thing you need to do is trace your mask. And once you've done that, get some scissors and cut it out. You may need your parents' help with this because cardboard can be hard to cut. Once you've finished cutting it out, you're gonna have to do the eyes. And you will need somebody's help with this, so I'm gonna call on the assistant instructor.
You called?
So what you need to do now is get the person to hold the mask over their eye and trace it out.
Now we've done our masks. We're going to start decorating them with the glue sticks and the stapler by gluing them all the plants and different things on. Let's start.
All the way from Paris is the well-known, all-known Max Perry!
Here we have our number one model, Perry. How much fun was this to build today?
A lot of fun.
So, make sure to make your own designs and send it to us. Also, we need to decide who is the winner of that last contest. Please comment down below who is the winner.